Okay, this is the inside of my timber frame. I'm at a point now where I need to prepare the timbers to be polyurethaned on the outside walls. Before I put up the outside walls, I've got tarps up to keep the rain from blowing in temporarily. But as you can see, I've already cleaned this timber, and I've got a lot more to do. But I want to do it before I put the walls up because it'll be easier to clean areas like this and under here if there's no wall out here. It's easier to clean that and polyurethane it before I put the walls on. What I'm using is a belt sander, of course, and I'm using this little precision sander. It's kind of tricky getting in areas like in this joint right here and around the tenon and mortise and around the pegs. You can't get it with the belt sander, so you have to use this precision sander. But even this can't really get into that joint very well. So what I did is I took an oscillating saw, and this is a oscillating saw blade, and what I did is I laid it on a piece of 60 grit stick-on sandpaper that's made for these made for a tool like this. But I took that 60 grit sandpaper and I laid the blade on top of it, and I cut around it with a razor knife, and then I stuck it to the blade. Now you can use this oscillating saw. It does really well getting in areas like this. So anyway, smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to see more. Thanks.